Hello, today I have for you a recipe for a delicious cooked cheesecake that does not require baking or the use of a mixer. Here are the necessary ingredients. The same list can be found in the description under the video. I also add a link to the blog under the video where you will find all my recipes. Put 200 grams of butter and a glass of sugar into a pot. I have 250 milliliters glasses, melt the whole thing. Then when the butter and sugar melt, add 1 kilogram of cottage cheese. I used cottage cheese from a bucket and add 3 whole eggs. Mix everything until the mixture is combined. The mixture should be hot, but you cannot boil it. Then I have 2 puddings mixed in 125 milliliters of milk. I pour it straight into the cheese mixture. Now cook the whole thing for a few minutes until the mixture thickens. Now it can boil. The cream should be thick. When we reach this consistency of cream, we can take it off the heat. I lined a 26 by 26 centimeters baking tray with oblong sponge cakes, and as you can see, I immediately spread the still hot mixture onto the sponge cakes. On top, I placed cocoa cookies. We can set aside the cake for a moment. I prepared 2 jellies, dissolving them in 700 milliliters of boiling water. Once the jelly has cooled down, I add raspberries to it. I used 300 g of frozen raspberries, which made it quick to set quickly. Of course, you can also use fresh raspberries. When the jelly is already set, pour it over the cake, spread it, and put the cake in the fridge to cool, preferably overnight. As you can see, making this cake is incredibly easy. It doesn't require baking or blending, so we won't get a lot of dishes dirty. The cake is delicious, be sure to make it. Of course, watch my next videos and you can find this and other recipes on the blog. I always provide a link under the video. Thank you, enjoy!